Processes and applications that create dust are production welding and grinding.
Nobody wants to breathe that in, day out. You know, we were a lot of years without a lot of help there with our old system.
We previously had dust collection systems before RoboVent, and they just weren't doing the job and inefficient.
When there's a lot of smoke and dust in the air quality is not good with breathing, seeing, and you run the risk of getting porosity in weld.
We grew as a company. There was more employees, more weld smoke, so they couldn't keep up.
The high concentration of smoke and dust was a negative for morale and just all around productivity.
When they said they were going to purchase them, they brought them up, and I looked them up and started looking into them, and they looked like they were going to be a pretty good deal.
We discussed several different options, and this was the first one we looked at, and we looked at a few more, and we circled back to the RoboVents, and we're glad we made that choice.
The productivity was not impacted during the install of the RoboVent units. It was fairly fast setting them up and running conduit and powering them up.
It's far and above what we had. We're really happy with the addition of this to our weld buildings, and like I said, we couldn't be more happier.
Galen and Tanner are so happy with the performance that they're actually looking at outfitting another building on their campus right now, that they're doing some new welding processes and with potentially a little bit more equipment.
The air quality now versus what we had before is just day and night difference. You can tell by walking out on the floor, and you don't see that haze.
Your eyes aren't burning all day and your throat's not irritated.
We decided to order more RoboVents because of how well they worked in this shop. We're setting them up in our other production facility.
All the guys they're happy about our new system. We run them just during the shift, 10 hours a day. When they go home at night, they just feel better. Health-wise, they're not breathing that in every day, and it's been really good for us.
It's the employer giving back to the employees, with a clean, safe work environment.
I would definitely recommend RoboVent to anyone that does cutting, grinding, and welding.
All our options that we had, we feel that RoboVent is world-class.